Rahim. This is a October 2022 11 variant question number 6, and we have to take this equation and convert in this format. Okay, so first of all, what is technique, students? So I will take LCM. As you know, if I have a 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5, so naturally I can't take LCM. I mean 2, 5, we can't take any and nothing common. So 2 into 5. After that, this 5 multiply there, 2 multiply there. So it could turn to be this format. Same story here. LCM is sine theta plus cos theta, and here sine theta minus cos theta. I believe all of you understanding. So this multiply here and this multiplies there. So it means simply sine theta minus cos theta, and plus in the middle, students. So I write plus here, and sine theta plus cos theta, and equals to 1. So student, we clearly mentioned this can cancel out. And student, 1a plus b into a minus b multiply, what answer I get? First term match, second term match, sign opposite, square of the first term, square of second term. Same story here. First term match, second term match, signs opposite. So what I can say in denominator, I have two choices, students. Choice number one, I multiply, 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 and multiply. But it will take a lot of time. So I can say sine squared theta and minus cos squared theta. This is this technique I applied here. Okay, equals to 1. What I got on the top, I got a top is a 2 sine theta. Okay, this is cross multiplied there. So I get what, student? 2 sine theta is equal to sine squared theta minus cos squared theta. I bring all values right hand side, left hand side. So cos squared theta, or I can do one thing. I plug in same here. So sine squared theta, I'm leaving as it is, but cos square has some value. All of you know its value is 1 minus sine squared theta. Now you ask one question, why you converted that, sir, only? Why not sine square? Because my full answer in sine square I need, and cos square is not required. I believe you can't point. Got a point in sine square theta and negative 1 and plus sine square theta. Okay, here I have 2 sine theta. Now sine square and sine square give you 2 sine square theta. So I'm writing here 2 sine square theta. It will go other side, becomes now negative 2 sine theta. And this minus 1 I'm writing at the end here 0. And 0 you write here or on the other side. So no issue at all. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. I have done this much. And if someone asks me what is the value of A, B, C, even he asking me that to be found. So A value. So what is this is called A value. So A value is 2 and B value is not 2, negative 2, and C value is not 1, negative 1. And I believe this point is very, very clear because this is B, A, and okay. So this is done. Now let's start this one. So he said what, solve this angle theta 360 degree. And this is the same equation which you have the first part. See, students, so this equation same. Actually, this equation is transformed this format to this format. I mean, to this format. So answer of this equation and answer of this equation are 100% same. Or I can say reverse. Answer of this equation and answer of this equations are 100% same. So I will take this expression and solve it, and let's start. This equation, I'm going to take it here. Wait a minute, sorry for that. I will take it, copy, and I paste here. So this equation I'm going to use here. All students get ready. So first of all, what I will do, so sine theta is equals to k. So this is k. So I can say negative 2k minus 1 equal to 0. And this is sine square, so k square. Now, student, I can apply quadratic formula, negative b plus and minus b squared minus 4a and c. C is minus 1. A is 2, sorry, and over 2a. Okay, student, let's continue. I got 2, and here I got an 8 plus 4, 12. And 12 root is giving what? As a 4 3s are 12. So 2 root 3. Wait a minute, I check again. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Yes, 12. So I think this is part is very clear. So 2 root 3 over 4. And after that, 2 common from top, I get a 1 plus root 3 by 2. I have two options. I will tell you both options. But thing is that here, sine theta, this k value will go there 1 by 1. So sine theta is equal to 1 plus root 3 over 2, and sine theta is equals to 1 minus root 3 over 2. Okay. So 1 minute, let me recheck once finally, and then I just show you. So wait a minute, please. Yes, 2 root 3, correct. Okay. Now, student, if I type in calculator, cast property. Let me show the full first of all, then I come to the question. So CAST cast. C for cos, A for all, S for sine, and T for tan. Okay, student, this is a positive answer. How? Okay, if I type in calculator 1 plus root 3 and divided by 2, I get answer is 1.3660. And if I type the other one, okay, this is not a compulsory, but I'll just show you, okay. And its answer is coming in negative, so it is coming negative 0.366. Okay, student, this all positive means sine is positive. So let's talk about sine alone. Sine alone, okay. I talk about sine alone. Here and here, first two quadrants, sine positive, so sine positive is here and here. Here, tan cos positive, so sine is negative for sure. So here and here, sine negative. So I think idea is very clear. So this diagram, I make it here. And this diagram, I take it here. Okay, students, I believe you got a point. Okay, for a while, while you take this angle as alpha. So I take alpha is equal to sine will go there, and sine inverse of 1.366. So when I take a sine inverse of 1.366, it is giving me what? It's giving me math error. Why math error? I tell you this even. So there's no solution for it. I'm writing here simply no solution. Now you ask why no solution, sir? Because for your explanation, sine theta and cos theta, the highest value is +1 and the lowest value is -1, and stay in the middle of that. It means this exists, but above +1, there is no solution. Below -1, no solution. So that is why, because this value is above than 1, so there is no solution. So I can't get any solution here. Let's talk about this question. So I will take this again alpha for a while. So this alpha is equal to sine inverse. Don't take negative sign. You know what? I just tell you why I'm not put negative sign. Reason for your understanding. When I go anti-clockwise, angle we consider as a positive. When I go clockwise, angle considered as a negative. Because this is just a direction. For example, this way I will write positive, okay, and this way I will write negative. So just as direction only. So why I waste my time? I will not take negative sign here. Okay. And sine inverse 0.366, and when I type in calculator I get 21.5 degree and round 1 dp always. So this value you will plug in a line, blue line and x-axis. Repeat, this angle in line and x-axis. Some student by mistake write it here, don't write it here. Look, I'm showing you 21.5 line and x-axis. Red line, blue line and x-axis. And what is the rule of measurement? Start from positive x-axis, move anti-clockwise till line. So move and stop here. Second answer, starting from here and stop here. So I believe you all of you understanding what is going on. And now bring back theta, and I'm going to finalize my answer. So first answer, this is 180 on a straight line, and this 21.5. I have to start from here and stop here. So naturally, this is a 180 and this is a 21.5. So I will add them. So 180 plus 21.5. And second answer from here, full circle is 360 degree, but this angle I don't want. So subtracting. So 360 minus 21.5. So I'm getting two answers finally. Okay, so 180 plus this answer, I'm getting 201.5 degree. And second answer is coming, is very, very clear, is 0.5 degree. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear and question is over.